I'm literally escaping from here. Just bloody escape. You knocked one guy, yeah. Bro, I'm actually tracing him. I'm tracing another guy. He's... Yeah, he's... Where I am, there only he is. Shit. Yes. Knocked him out. He cost me a huge lot of life. Wait, I'll also get him that only.
I don't have scoped. I can't see him.
There, I'm pretty sure that guy will be healing now because I just knocked him out and I didn't kill him. We are literally rounded, bro.
Anyone has a scope? Extra scope?
Watch out! I got supplies. Watch out!
Yes, thanks, Sharat.
I need a scope.
Hey, but 8x for what it'll work there? Because it's definitely not working for my M16. Only snipers are, then why did I collect it? Ara, you want it?
Yeah, give.
Wait, I'll drop. Yeah, come, it's next to me. Ara, where are you?
Coming.
Wait, I'll drop it here only. You take cover. Here.
Oh wait, I don't have a sniper. Shit.
The only person. Yeah, the one you dropped. Yeah.
Watch out!
Yeah. Who's that? Firing raise mode?
Some guy shot at me,
I'm,
guys. Who the hell is shooting at us? Come here, I need reviving.
Hey bro, there's one guy there. Yeah, there's near the Gadi. We'll take care of him. I'll go Tara.
Cover me.
Where are you? Inside the house?
Yeah.
Hey, you come near the number 2.
Bro, I have very less health.
He has lesser than you, da.
Who?
Number 2.
He's here with me only. Come.
Yeah, I know. I'm reviving you also. Hey, why did you move? You come inside the house. You come inside the house. Fine.
Help!
Bro, he's in the car, I guess. Okay, wait. I can't. It's kind of hard. Okay. Okay, that guy just zoomed off. He's like, Hamara jaan bach gayi.
I got supplies.
Yeah. Let's go. People,
Where is
get to
the
the
car?
car quickly. People come fast. Yeah, go, sprint. Yes, my boys. That is it. Hey, you're going towards the zone, Achi. Yeah, in an open field. Sure. Bro, go around in the outer. Like, now do what Ara said. Go around in the outer.
No, go around the blue zone, like, because that's the extreme.
Hey, there's one guy here. Shit, people are here. Too many, bro. Get a good cover first. There's one more.
There's a guy there.
Footsteps, people. Guys, he was right under your nose. Who threw the smoke, da? Is it you threw the smoke or who? Who did it? It's actually a master plan because that guy thought we are in the smoke and he's starting to light
Yeah,
the smoke.
exactly.
No, some people don't know to use it properly, and especially when you don't play as a team, right? They freak out. Yeah, but how do we get there? There's no rock, nothing. It's open field.
So M416, do you guys have?
Sharat, we have to sprint. Shit, he's getting me. For sure, I'm down. Nice. Hey, he's behind me. He's behind us. I don't think, Sharat. Yeah. So do we hide behind the car? Are you sure? How close? He's in the smoke. Shit, he isn't even in the smoke. He's behind the back. Take him out. Nice, Sharat. Bro, choice is yours. Nice one, da.
Where was he hiding?
Oh, he was near the tree, da.
Oh, where is he? Where?